Filip Hrgović is going to fight against another undefeated fighter, Damzi Makin. Damzi the Machine Makin, 22-0, amazing Australian, great Aussie 6'6", out of Ipswich, Queensland. He also comes from kickboxing background too, but I got to say, this guy pretty much dominated. Also, believe it or not, competed in MMA, and okay, he switched to boxing and he's doing really well. He's knocking people out. Patrick Orte, Don Hainsworth, Scott Belshaw, Jonathan Rice. But the problem is when he attacks, he's not covering. He's not covering when he's attacking. He is like a sitting duck when he's attacking, very much open. And Filip Hrgović, 15-0, 6'6", out of Zagreb, Croatia. This guy outworked Zhilei Zhang, destroyed Emir Akhmatovic, Marko Radonjic, Radel Buker, Alexandra Kartozia, and he is one of the most technical Balkan boxers I have ever seen. Like Alen Babic, for example, is a brawler, but Hrgović is extremely technical. I believe he might actually knock out Damzi Makin. I believe Hrgović is going to win, but my prediction for this fight, I'm going to go a bit more technical, going with over 6.5, yeah. Over 6.5 is my call, but I'm going to go with Hrgović to win. Let's go, Filip.